At 4 years old, 5 brothers patrol their territory in the Mara Reserve. This is Alumina. A leg wound when young left him with a limp. Olociadu. Cautious, quiet, reserved. Lokolupe. A hoof broke his nose. Now it never stops running. The hunter. Orpadan. Always out in front, first at the prey. A true fighter. Beside him, Olobor. Sibling killer, unchallenged clan chief. Aggressive, ruthless, reckless. The Mara Reserve is in Kenya, along its border with Tanzania. It's the northern extension of the Serengeti. This is where the 5 brothers have settled after years of wandering. The narrow Rongai River. Now, at the end of June, there are few prey animals here, except buffalo. Olobor, the chief, has almost recovered from a mauling by neighboring males. With Orpadan, he shadows the buffalo herd, looking for isolated animals. If the buffaloes stay close together, the lions will never reach the weaker calves.